Hey Calisthenics community, it's Artem from Calisthenics School here, and we again in gymnastics gym with our trainer, and today we're gonna try the best exercises for abs which gymnasts get used to do.
Listen. I am right, ain't no breaking me. I am right, ain't no shaking me. I am right, ain't no earthquake kiss me. I am right, I am right, I am right, ain't no breaking me. I am right, ain't no shaking me. I am right, ain't no earthquake kiss me. I am right.
Well, now we're gonna do sets. That means that we will do 2 sets. Everything will be in a row without any rest. So few exercises. We will do not only abs but also extensors and flexors of the spine.
But y'all already know it's underneath. Give me some time and keep applying pressure. Watch me shine like the ex-bad boy. It'll all be fine. Dig down deep, search for the energy I can't lose. Get in touch with that inner energy. Game face on, see this mug, you remember me. Focus out the pain, ignore any injury. Then again,
Well, we did first set. It was really hard. Actually, we have to make twice more reps, but we made it shorter because we are hurry up now. And now second set and then 3 different exercises.
I am rock, you can't really injure me. Ship off a piece, all you gon' get is a little me. Got one from almost every tough time in my history. Hence, the new team rock brothers. Are you still with me? Got a bunch more. During my last stage of misery.
2, 3, плечами старались, 4, скручивание, 5. Раз, поднялись. 2, ручки по ушам держим, длиннее положение.
Now we will do legs rises. It's the classic of gymnastics. So we will see who will be first, and we will do 15 reps and 5 reps left, 5 reps right, and then 1 regular set. Now we're gonna do one uncommon exercise. You probably never seen it, but it's really nice for core and stamina. As you have seen, this exercise is L-sit to kind of decline plank, and you have to hold it then. So you will work with all core muscles, not only abs or something different, so everything works together. Last one exercise is common gymnastic exercise also, and you also have seen many times it in calisthenics, and we will do two variations, easiest and hardest. Do you actually use some of the exercises you have seen in this video? Let me know in comments, this is really interesting. Where do you need your abs? Of course, in all the tricks, dynamic or static. And actually, static tricks, we have all the courses in our school, so you can check it out in link below in the description. Everything, planche from lever, handstand, even one-arm handstand from acrobatic, you will see from really beginning, from really zero level, how to test your body, how to understand your mistakes, and how to fix all of them.
Не надо сильно нажимать, спину держи. Горбуш. Ниже, ниже. Работай. Ниже.
If you like that video, just thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on notification button, and see you in the next video. И коммерцию.